rifled weeds. Okay lang yan.
Saturday was the 6th day. Father and I went to the park on Saturday. A good day is Sunday. The 7th day of the week. Today is rest and I fly kites with my friends.
Yay!
If knock knock knock. Knock knock knock. Knock knock knock. Who is this? She is Tanya the tailor.
Taylor.
Tailor.
Taylor.
Knock knock knock. Who are they? They are
Hazel.
Hazel and Harry the
Hairdressers. Hairdressers. Okay.
Knock knock knock. Who is this? He is Chester
Chester.
the chef.
Chef.
Knock knock knock. Who is
It's this.
He is Rico the big
Bike.
bike
Repairer.
repairer. Knock knock knock. Who is this? He is Carlo the
Carpenter.
carpenter.
Very good. Opo.
Knock knock knock. Who is this? He is Cornelio the
Construction.
worker.
Ulitin mo. Construction worker. Very good.
Knock knock knock. Who is this? She is Sharon the shop
Owner.
owner.
Okay, ikaw
Knock
na.
knock knock. Who is this? She is Wendy the
Watch.
watchmaker.
Watchmaker. Ulitin mo.
Watchmaker. Knock knock knock. Who is this? He is Peter the police officer.
Wow, kalisto.
Knock knock knock. Who is this? She is Barbara the
Barangay captain. Ulitin mo.
captain.
Barangay.
Barangay captain.
Okay.
These
This
are
community. Ulitin mo.
community helpers. How does each one help us?
Yay! Smile ikaw. Sige na. Today.
Tapos na pag
Tapos, sige, ulitan na lang.
Today we are
Going.
to
Collect.
collect
Garbage. Very good. Outside.
outside. The school says
Teacher. Jane. Very good.
Basta ako mama.
Ay, Jenny mo, mama?
Uh-uh.
Okay, go. Teacher.
Teacher Jen
Takes her.
takes her
Sige Sige.
Sot.
Stu. Student.
To. A.
Nearby. Public.
Park.
Very good. Ito sa CR mo. Go. Who.
There.
Through.
Through.
Sige.
All.
All. These.
Mess.
Empty. Basa. Sige, basa. Plastic. Basa. Bags. And bottles. On. Tree. Pot. Ramon asks. Very good. Gibutang niras ang basura sa pot. Sa tree pot. Sige, go. Come.
On. Let us pick up the garbage.
Very good.
Teacher Jen
Request. Her. Ulitin mo. Requests her.
Student.
Very good. Pinapurot daw sa ira. Sunod.
Teacher Jen and
Her.
students pick
Pick.
up the garbage
Very good.
and put them
Into
into the garbage
bags.
bags.
Oh, bags. Very good.
Sa baraya man sila.
Dali.
The students
Students throw
the garbage into the
bin. O, gilabog na ko na nira sa garbage bin. Should always throw our trash. Very good. In the
garbage bin.
very good. Remind.
Teacher Jen.
Very good. Nanalo na ka ng Teacher Jane.
Teacher Jen. It's happy and
Praises
all
her
students.
very good. Oh,
Tapos na.
wala may isa pa?
Ada.
Wala na. Okay na.